Welcome to short science videos. Why don't we all have cancer? Let's take a look at our body, which consists of a huge amount of cells. Each cell has a nucleus with within a DNA string. The string is very important because it's basically commanding your cell what to do. For example, if your brains are telling your cells to divide, they will listen to it and just divide. However, if your brains are telling your cells not to divide, then very sometimes your cells are not listening to it and will just divide anyway. Now, if I just keep on dividing, then you will eventually end up with a tumor. Now the question is, why are cells doing that? That is because their DNA string has errors in it. For example, if your brains again are telling your cells not to divide, they just have no idea what the brain is telling them because the DNA string got too many errors for it. So the question is, where do those errors come from? They come from two kinds of factors. First, they come from factors which you don't have any influence on. For example, genetic background, the DNA string you were born with, or cosmic radiation. Secondly, they can come from factors which you do have influence on. For example, smoking, alcohol and lifestyle. Now, the point is, we are all exposed to things on a daily basis that cause these errors. So, why don't we all have cancer then? That is because your body is able to repair himself, to rescue himself. Now, how does he do that? He does that by two kinds of things. First, DNA repair. Sometimes, if a cell has an error within its DNA string, the cell is able to detect that error and repair it. The second thing is the immune system, also white blood cells. Because a white blood cell is also able to detect cells with errors and then forces the cell to die. However, the point is, both systems, the DNA repair and the immune system, are not 100% efficient. They are only 99.99999% efficiently, which means that sometimes errors do pass through, and that will give you a tumor. So, if you have a tumor, then you just have won the unlucky lottery.